Blah 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 blah. Pause the video if you want to read. Yeah. Yo, what's up there, guys? Today we're gonna be roasting cringe Google images, including civilizations spreading over world box. Yeah, spreading over China. Today we're gonna be roasting cringe Google images. So let's go. What support? Yeah, I got. Did you know about Sayori? Yes, for the. Here is a girl. Will you fuck? This is a nurse. What, a nurse? No. Did you ever see my cameraman? I'll show you. I have a camera. So guys, look. Sorry. How to pull a bitch? No! Camera offline. This can't be. No! That sucks. Today we're gonna be roasting cringe sprunky images. We're looking at. That was quick. What are you doing? No! I don't want everybody staring at me. I still said no. Okay, thank you. No. The Google images. Who is this? This Mother Earth. What are you doing, fanbot? Did you know you should around? Saroidly. What the hell? I'm not gonna bitch. I don't know that can prank practice. Yat. Don't watch this thing. Wait. Telling. Bruh. From side. Sing who is WORD. Swordy. Yeah. Give me the toilet. This is the woman. Wow. Guys. Go to walmart.com. So you cannot miss the event cooking. Yes, I like that. Cooking. No. Flash. No. Ah! What the hell is this, Yora? I like how they make. Yeah. What? Where are you staring at, Mabo? I don't wanna be. Did you guys know how creepy Vinaria is? Just look how creepy she is. I'm tired of you guys. Why are you doing fucking confusing guys? I'm calling the view. My neighbor. Wait. Okay. So guys, I'm looking at where I found but super. Where's Mr. Oh, Mr. Sun! Ah! I'm so sorry. I'm gonna be roasting cringy Google images. Yeah. Look at here. Ah! Why did I get dumped by that? Civilization. Look how the civilizations. Africa? Yeah, I hope that's in Asia. Before.
Try our new flavors.
Civilization in Asia. Yeah, did you guys know about World Box? Don't. Oh, you mother! Stop! Okay. I gotta be at this strange place! Stop! Now I have no. Stop! Now nobody's staring at me! Nobody's staring. Stop, guys, stop. That's not. So. Wait. Oh my gosh, bro! Stop! So, guys, they keep staring at me. Stop it! Yeah, look how amazing this thing was. I like the Google images searchings, but somebody is off. Binaria, please! What are you doing? Just staring at the screen like TV. Oh. Stop. I hate why they make a world map by this way. What the? Damn. Okay, you cannot do that. You can't do that. I swear if anybody just posted this in YouTube, I swear I would make a freaking cool beach amazing cool crash out. And you're making kingdoms made by the fightings. Oh, you're not funny. What is this? Don't. I have this on Google. I hope nobody posts this on YouTube, bro. I hate them. You freaking coffin! Yeah, I hate that. Spranky! They made Spranky? That's good. Why do people look like that, bro? Steven Sprinkle! Sprinkle! Oh, dang it. I cannot do it. Rainbow Wonderful Simon says P7. Shut up! Wait. Simon 75. Shut up! Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Please, bro, please. Bro. Why are you canceling? Okay, bro. Stupid keyboard. I want somebody. Keyboard. I like some keyboard. Wow, that. What the hell is this? Wait. Oh, some masteristic amazing. How to saturate? What? Did you know, guys? Sorry. Did you know? She's a girl. But something is wrong. It's not my Okay, bro. The positive. What? Roasting cringe images about this. Look at this. Fuck. What? Satoy. Sayoy. Satoy. Okay, that was good. Flashback. Hey, why? No. What is this sex? Sorry guys, that was cringe. Wait. Sayori! There you go guys. Sayori! It's a person. They made everything wrong. Sayori! Like, there are Chinese Sayori. She's Chinese, not Japanese. Guys, so wait. Philippine. Chinese shops. They're making Chinese shops in the Philippines before GTA 6. Okay, bro, that was fake. Yeah. They made Sayori, guys. Make sure to subscribe to Flash. Okay? I like Flash. Flash YouTube. W Flash. Ah.
At ito pa niya ang umatake sa kanya. Natungkoy sa pagpuposas kasi nga pinagmumura niya ako nung nainatake niya ako.
I like 40, bro.
Na inutos niya ang pagposas sa
10
lalaki.
million
Wala nga po ako ng tan na yun.
subs. Yeah, they made Who the hell says them? Bro.
Makailang beses na
Hazel.
sa barangay ang lalaki. Dahil sa mga reklamo na
That was Hazel. Bro. What the freaking?
sa mga barangay official, handa ring reklamo ng lalaki ang hindi umano tamang
Rosite ban.
investiga ng pulis sa insidente. Ang sabi ng press,
That was cringe. Is that Europe? Is that Europe? Okay. Let's see how Samuel is vertic. Wow! Saroy. I'm so sorry guys, I was cringe. I made them. I make everyone kill them. Did you guys know about my 7? It's my 2023 most remembered. Is the screen just flip? Oh, damn it. I thought the screen is literally fucking flip. Wow, so guys, I'm making a bitch.
na rin umanood ng Cavite Police ang nasa higit 20 individual na sangkot
Oh.
sa initiation rights.
Yes.
Jack Caparas.
Okay, guys. Make sure to do not place pinky to orange, or else I will make everyone suffer.
Matapos sumailalim umano sa initiation.
Yes, I wanna go. Suffer. If you place pinky to orange, okay? So make sure to flash YouTube, okay? Make sure to flash YouTube, okay? I like flash, okay? If he hates me, I'm not really. No. Did you know about Skobodo? Toilet. Skobodo toilet. Yes, Skobodo toilet. Skobodo toilet. Yeah. My video just got 83 views and 3 likes. Guys. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Oh, yeah, What the hell?